Apple, of course, leading corporate America in shutting down stores quickly. They, of course, had their stores in China shut down. They withdrew some of the numbers that they had projected for the year. Then when it came to the pandemic spreading to Europe and to the United States, they shut stores around the world. How do you expect to see that reflected in Apple's numbers on Thursday?
Yeah, so I think, the rule of thumb is that we expect iPhone shipments to be 25% below where we were expecting them mid-February. When you look at how long the shutdowns have happened in China, how long they've been shutting down their phones, and like the impact of 2 days shutdowns in most markets, that's the kind of number we would expect. And I wouldn't expect that to be a surprise because, as you've said, this is something the company has not guided for, but like they've removed their guidance to manage expectations, and that's something people have been able to follow. In the second quarter, we'll have the beginning of a recovery for Apple, but it's probably going to be slow. And honestly, who knows? We'll have to see. And I wouldn't expect Apple to be excessively specific on their guidance for the second quarter for that very reason. Now, Apple is going through that, of course, unhurt. They have a very, very healthy cash generation, healthy business model. And the key questions, the key conversations we'll have with management on the phone next in a couple of days is going to be about Q3, Q4, and the 5G launch, of course.